Hi guys, today we are going to continue our lesson about what do animals eat. So this is the second part of the class. To continue with the topic, we are gonna talk about the different groups of herbivores, since they can be classified depending on the part of the plant they eat. ¿Qué quiere decir esto? Que los herbívoros se pueden clasificar de acuerdo a la parte de la planta que ellos se comen. So the animals that eat fruits are called frugivores, or we can call them fruit eaters. So they love bananas, apple, mangoes, etc. Animals that eat leaves are called folivores, or we can call them leaf eaters, okay? A special group of mammals known as ruminants, such as cow, belong to this group, but we can also mention examples of some insects, okay? The animals that eat seeds are called granivores. You can see them in here, or we can call them seed eaters. Son aquellos que se alimentan de las semillas de las plantas. Animals that eat good are called xylophages, okay? Animals such as termites, you can see them here, termites or weevils, yes, are good eaters. They love eat good from different trees, entonces los que se alimentan de la madera, de diferentes tipos de árboles, que sería prácticamente su stem, es decir, su tallo, el tallo de los árboles, okay guys? There is another group which are the root eaters. You can see them in this part, okay? We can call them root eaters, so animals that eat roots, such as worms and some species of rats. Los sweet eaters, porque aquí aparece pues cortada la imagen, son todos aquellos que se alimentan de las raíces de las plantas. Vamos a mencionar algunos ejemplos como worms or some species of rats, okay? So, we have here the keywords related to this topic. Es just como el resumen, yes? So you have here a column of classification, what do they eat, and examples of animals. So fruit eaters, remember that eat fruits. Examples, parrots or insects, some insects. Leaf eaters eat leaves. So examples, cow, horses, caterpillar, etc. Good eaters eat good, ¿cierto? Such as termites and weevils, yes. Root eaters eat roots, such as worms and rabbits. Remember that rabbits usually eat carrots, and carrots are roots. And seed eaters eat seeds, such as squirrels or birds, okay? Para saber qué tipo de herbívoro es cada uno de los animales debemos conocer muy bien su dieta, ya que muchos de ellos se alimentan de varias partes de la planta, no solamente de una. Por ejemplo, hay varias especies de parrots que no solamente se van a alimentar de frutas, sino que quizás también se comen algunas hojas o algunas semillas. Entonces debemos saber o conocer muy bien la dieta de cada animal para poder hacer este tipo de clasificación, ¿ok? Aquí son unos ejemplos como en términos ya como muy generales. So now guys, you are gonna practice this. I'm gonna show you the part of 2 video clips, and then you have to answer this question. The question is, what type of herbivore are they? So I'm gonna show you the first video, yes? You are gonna see here this video or part of this video. What is this one? This is a caterpillar, and you can see guys that the caterpillar is eating. So this is my first video. I'm gonna pause it, yes, and I'm gonna show you the second video. This is our second video. And this is a very beautiful bat, yes? Please identify where is its meal, okay? It's a beautiful bat. So as you can see guys, I'm gonna pause it here and I'm gonna go back to my presentation, this one here. So the question is, what type of herbivore are they? So what type of herbivore is the caterpillar? What do you think, guys? ¿Qué tipo de herbívoro sería la oruga que vieron en el video? Okay, so pretty good, muy bien. Caterpillar is a leaf eater. En este caso sería un comedor de hojas, ¿cierto? Good. Obviously, they love leaves, okay? And what type of herbivore is the bat? What do you think, guys? According to its diet, que pudieron ver allí en el video. Yes. So, bats are fruit eaters, but bear in mind that this is a very special bat, okay? Its name is fruit bats. Actually, él se llama, o son murciélagos de frutas, something like that. Su nombre es fruit bats, yes? Y obviamente they love fruit. So they are fruit eaters or frugivores. So now guys, what can you see in this picture? What these animals have in common? What do you think, guys? ¿Qué creen o qué opinan ustedes de qué tendrían en común esos animales que están viendo allá en casa? Okay, good. Some of you can answer that all of them are carnivorous animals, yes? Muy bien, that is a perfect answer. So, as you can see, guys, these are examples of different carnivores. And in this case, guys, carnivores establish a relationship, a very specific relationship, which is the relationship between predator and prey. So in each case, we can find the predator. I'm gonna show you the next picture. Who, for example, in this case of the cheetah and the deer, the predator is the organism that eats another organism, ¿cierto? Estamos viendo que en este caso el depredador es el animal quien caza, mata y se come al otro animal. While on the other hand, guys, the prey is the organisms which the predator eats. So in this case sería deer, ¿cierto? En este caso sería pues el venadito. So in every single relationship between a carnivore animal and its victim, we can call about predator and prey. Good. So in order to understand this, the difference between predator and prey, remember that predator es quien caza, ¿cierto? Y la presa, pues es el animal cazado, el animal que moriría, porque el carnívoro, pues sería la presa, el alimento para el carnívoro. So I'm going to show you two more video clips, yes, and the idea is that you identify who is the predator and who is the prey in each one, okay? I'm going to show them. Let me check. Okay, here I'm going to show you the first video, or part of the video. Please pay attention. I'm going to, this is a dragonfly and a fly. Okay, pay attention. The video is good. The dragonfly and a fly. Can you see, guys? I'm gonna repeat it again, okay? Good. Excellent video, okay? And I'm gonna show you the second video. Please pay attention. It's about lions versus warthog. Warthog is kind of jabalí. Entonces vamos a prestar mucha atención in here, okay, guys? Look at this. You have here lioness, leonas. Remember que en el caso de los leones son quienes cazan, yes? Pay attention to the video because something pretty special will happen. They are beautiful animals, yes? Yes. Lions are very fast animals. Oh, can you see, guys? Ahí la cámara nos muestra exactamente el momento, but this is the nature. Esto es naturaleza. I just want to show you a real relationship between different species of animal. Con estos videos lo que quería mostrarles es realmente algunas de las relaciones establecidas por animales en su naturaleza. Es la realidad. Okay, guys? So, now you are gonna answer this question. Who is the predator and who the prey in each case? In the case of the lion and the warthog, who is the predator and who the prey? En este caso, ¿quién sería el depredador? What do you think about the lion? Y el jabalí, okay? So, yes, of course, the predator in this case is the lion, of course, and the warthog is the prey. Recuerden que en este caso el león es quien caza al jabalí. Por lo tanto, el león es el depredador y el jabalí la presa. In the video about the dragonfly and the fly, who is the predator and who the prey? What do you think, guys? Pretty good. The predator is the dragonfly and the prey obviously is the fly, okay? Entonces, en el caso de la libélula y la mosca, la libélula sería nuestra depredadora y la mosca la presa. So, good. You did a very good job, guys. Good. So, this is the first explanation. For today, esta es la última explicación. It's about the scavengers. Remember this word in Spanish and also in English. Scavengers in Spanish means carroñero, okay? And carroñero or scavengers are a special type of carnivore. They eat animals that are already dead. They don't hunt or kill the prey. Los carroñeros son animales que no cazan a su presa, no la matan. ¿Por qué? Porque ellos esperan a que otro animal lo haga, maten a su presa, se comen parte de ese animal y lo que dejan los restos pueden ser restos de piel, restos de músculos, restos de huesos o algunos órganos, son los que los animales carroñeros van y se terminan de comer. Entonces ellos no tienen que ir a cazar ni a matar a la presa porque simplemente ellos esperan a que otro animal lo haga. So we have examples such as vulture, que es el buitre, yes. Take advantage of the feats of that wild beast. Lo que se está comiendo ahí este buitre son cuerpos o pedacitos de los cuerpos de unos gnus que murieron ahogados. ¿Listo? Another example is the condor close-up. El cóndor generalmente se come partes de cuerpos de animales que ya están muertos. And the famous hyena, yes. You already know some hyenas, so laughing hyenas, yes, and they could be both carnivores and also scavengers. Dicen que las hienas en unos casos trabajan como carnívoras, es decir, que sí cazan, pero en otros, y en su mayoría, funcionan como scavengers, como carroñeros. Están ahí pendientes de que cazan los leones y lo que deja el león, pues ellas se lo comen. It's so good, guys. So this is my references again. Thanks a lot. Espero que hayamos aprendido mucho en esta clase. Por favor, estemos pendientes de la plataforma. I'm gonna... you are gonna develop a quiz next Friday. Yo les estaría avisando. Tendríamos entonces que desarrollar la guía de la plataforma y un quiz que se va a realizar el viernes. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.